Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and you're watching my unboxing channel tonight. I can't thank you enough for watching. I know it's getting late in the month and if you're watching, you're awesome. Anyway, we're going to be doing Ipsy's unboxing. I have it here. They have changed their packaging to a lovely pink. I took off my label so you could see the new packaging. This is quite interesting. You can actually see one of the add-ons I bought is actually aside of the bag. This is how they shipped it to me. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to open that up and see if it's broken. But before I do that, I just want to let you know that right now, if you sign up for Ipsy, I get an extra 1,800 points, which is awesome, and I get a free 111 skincare item. It's a vitamin A serum, I believe. I'm not sure. I've used it before and I really do like it. So if you want to sign up for November's box, you can use my link below and you can sign up. Ipsy is $12 a month. It is an American box, so that's all in American prices. It is $2.95 to ship to Canada, which makes it about $15 American, about $21 Canadian. It usually ships out around the 10th, and it takes a good week to get to you. With the Ipsy on the 24th of each month, you will get a choice between I think 5 or 7 items, and you can pick one item to go in your bag now, which is super awesome. As well as on the 2nd, you can see your spoilers and you can also pick up to 5 items. You can pick full-size items, which are of course palettes. They are $12 American, which makes it about $14, $15, almost $16 Canadian, which is still a great price for some palettes. Or you can pay $3 for deluxe sizes and some single brushes. Actually, $3 again is not bad for a good hearty brush. You can build your collection up that way. That's how I've done it. But yes, so anyway, let's get to unwrapping my bag. Ipsy, you do get 5 items plus a bag, and then you can get up to 5 add-ons. So it makes it about 10 items I should have in here. So let's see how well they did this month. I am super excited. As you can tell, one of my add-ons is right here, and let's see. So unfortunately the taping is on the back of this, which is kind of sad. So but it's not, look at that. I'm anxious to see if it is broke. So you can see that they kind of tried to tape like the glue around the case. So the outer is kind of destroyed, but as long as the inside isn't, and it doesn't look like it. So I believe this is like a $40 or $50 palette. I'm not exactly sure. Forgot to look it up before. Well, it's not broken, but it's kind of sticky. So it's got a nice large mirror, which of course you can see there. Then it has these 9 gorgeous shades, but the nice thing is that you have a black primer and a neutral primer. So it actually gives a variation to each shade, which is kind of nice. So you can see here how they affect each shade. So it'll either make it a nice lighter shade or a darker shade. So I'm not gonna put my fingers in this quite yet. I kind of want to play around with it before I do that. I'm really interested in this tell-all right here. That's not my color, but I'm going to try it for sure. So these are some nice pinks, some peaches, some nice, even the white is really nice. I mean, the white would be interesting to see with the black primer. Ooh, I'm really excited for this, to see how this works. So this cost me $12 American. And I mean, like, this is huge. Like, I didn't expect it to be this big. So that's totally awesome. I also really, really love their packaging. They're just, what's the tea? Hot tea eyeshadow palette, warm shades with eyelid primer. Yes, with a black and neutral eyelid primer. It's infused with chamomile. And isn't that, like, that's so neat. I love the packaging on all this stuff. I remember when I first got into makeup, or back into makeup, looking at their stuff, I was like, what? Because I was watching Meet the Mats and they were all a bunch of guys and this and that, and I was like, what is this all about? But now I realize it's super fun, super cool. So the next item actually is another one of my add-ons. So I got 3 Farrah brushes for $12. These are, I do like Farrah. I do like brushes. I will admit that I got mostly brushes this time around. Somebody commented saying, ooh, brush-a-palooza. So, oh, these are really nice. And they're like a black purple. I wish you could see that right now. I actually dye my hair a black purple, but it kind of washes out into a red. I'm actually thinking about going back to a nice deep brown again, just to switch things up. So we'll have to wait and see. But oh, I wish I could get my hair like that, right like that. Can you see the way that light hits that? Oh, that's gorgeous. So I'm super excited to have these. These are a cheeky end, a stippling end, and a straight. Oh, these are gorgeous. I know I have a couple of the other ones too. I was just playing with one. Oh, there it is there. So there's another Farrah, and again, it's got the black. I really, really like these brushes. So I'm excited to add more. So that was, those 3 were $12. So let's see here. One of my other add-ons was the Ipsy Betty Boop eyeshadow palette. So if you didn't know, this month was Betty Boop month. I did hear so many grumblings about being booped this month. I was excited. A lot of people on Reddit were not. So, but isn't that gorgeous? Like, they were saying something about like the Tetris. I like the Tetris palette. I found that it was really great. And, oh, look at those eyeshadows. Aren't they gorgeous? I am so excited to get into those. Oh, these are my colors, I tell you. Wow. Okay, I have to do this. Look at that purple. Oh. So, let's see here. Oh, that is so pretty. Let's see here. So a lot of these shades don't always show up on me so great, but you can't really see that one, but I could have a lot of fun with these. Let's try this one here. Ooh, that is so pretty. So I'm super excited to try this. I'm gonna do one more. Let's see, let's do a non. And it didn't come broken, so hey. So there's like a matte shade. So those are some really gorgeous shades. I am super excited to try those out. So this next month is a collaboration with somebody called Gigi. I apologize. I don't know who she is. Don't know what her angle is or what her brand is, but I've seen some of the stuff. It's pretty interesting. Will say I did sign up for BoxyCharm, and I am looking forward to getting the premium for just this month, and then I'll have to relook at the items that I get and see if it's a box that I want to keep. So I will probably have maybe this month, maybe not, box. I also got my FabFitFun edit, and I should actually be loading up some of the stuff from that. So anyway, I'm not even done my add-on. So I got 2 more brushes. These were $3 each. So this is the Betty Boop brush. So it is actually really nice. I have to admit, it kind of looks, no, it's just black. Okay, I was going to say it kind of looks like the black purple, but it's not, or the black blue. And then I got the Sigma blending brush. So as you can tell, I'm definitely a brush fan, so yay me. So those were $3 each, so I'm really happy that I got all my add-ons. So here's the bag. And here's the other side of it. It is like a little shiny. I kind of like that. I might actually, I'm not exactly sure about the Betty Boop, but I do like, somebody said it looks like she's got highlighter all over her, and kind of does. So the item I picked out, I'm just going to dig in here and see if I can find it. Oh, yep, there it is. So this is the item I picked, was the Crown Dual-Ended Brush. Apparently I cannot get into it. It's been a long day. That's all I'm going to say. so there it is there. Now this is another great, well-made brush. Oh, I love this end to it. I always use ends, like this would be good for under here. Excuse the black bags under there. So there's the item I picked. This is one of my 5 items. The next item I got is my Essence Herbs face mask. You know this girl loves her face mask. I'm super excited about these. This is a Brassica Napis Honey. Ooh, canola honey mask. Oh, doesn't that sound absolutely wonderful? So an enhanced moisture film to prevent loss in nutrition. Nature with honest prescriptions. Okay, so this is for all skin types, including dry skin. Well, I don't have dry skin, but I will definitely be using this. It has 10% canola honey-based formulation. Honey extract nourishes the skin, contains botanical complex extract. Okay, so the next one I got here is a tea tree mask. This help. Oh, and okay, so it's leaf extract and oil, which helps skins to be healthy, and botanical complex extracts help skin to be smooth. So these are probably a Korean company, I'm going to guess by the way the wording is on these. So I am definitely will be trying these. I will let you know what I think of them in future videos. Okay, so the next item I got is actually Belief True, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Now this is not something I do use. I have somebody wanting this, so I'll just show you the inside of it. I'm not going to dip my finger in it. It's an interesting thing. I don't, look how small that is in the bottom. Why do you do that? Companies, this is shame. Stop wasting. Either make the product that big or make the packaging smaller. Like, get all excited. Oh, look how big it is. Look, that's not big, that's small. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to be shipping that. Now, that's going to be expensive to ship, by the way. I'm sweating. It's hot in here for some reason. So, the next Betty Boop item I got is the mascara. So, there we go. That looks like an interesting brush. I can't wait to try that. I have actually heard really good things about this. I know a lot of people were complaining about it, but I'm going to try it out, and I will let you know what I think of it. Mascara I don't mind getting in the realm of things. So that's what, 4 items, right? The brush, the Belief, yeah. So the last item, like, this month was more of a miss for me. This is the Space Case Seen from Space Highlight. Oh, someone can see me from space with my hat. Look, I'm sweating. I don't know why I'm sweating, honestly. Oh, yes. I do. Never mind. So I'm not going to swatch this for y'all because I will be looking at putting that in a giveaway or selling it or something. But that is huge. Like, if they're going to trick me, at least they covered it up. That will last forever. So I have to say, Ipsy this month was not a huge hit for me, not like it usually is. Usually it's like, you know, 4 or 5 of the items I really like. I do like moisturizers. I'm just not a big fan of this one. For some reason, it doesn't sit well with my skin. Probably because I have oily skin. This is more for dry skin. It's not a bad moisturizer. It's just not meant for my skin. Highlighter is great, but I have lots of them. This is huge, by the way. So this is a good size. This is like almost full size, I would say. The masks, awesome. You can never have too many masks. I mean, I have a stash of them, and I'm sure I will go through them all at one point. Brushes, again, you can never have too many brushes, although I have to learn how to clean a couple after I use them, rather than waiting for them all to be dirty. Mascara, you can never have too many mascaras. If I don't use this, I will probably give it to a friend, but I would like to try this one actually because it is a collaboration. I want to see how well it works. Again, my add-ons were all here. It was superb. It was awesome. And then they have a little thing in here with all of my items. I didn't pull them out, so I apologize for that. If you are watching, if you guys can actually head over to, I think, my Look Fantastic video, go ahead and watch that. I am actually giving away a Look Fantastic October box. I put it somewhere. I just don't know where. I guess I should be looking for that at some point. Anyway, and again, once more, I'm putting on some finishing touches for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Actually, just give me 1 second here. I kind of wanted to, you know what, I'm not even going to worry about it. I was going to show you what my FabFitFun mystery bundle was, but I'm not really going to worry about it. I'll probably show it off at the winter box if I decide to get it. And that's coming up soon. So again, thank you for watching. Like I said, go back and look at that. Look fantastic. And I will look for that box. And I'll be giving away the whole October box. So just go ahead, watch the video, and I'll tell you how you can win. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.